Welcome back. So in the previous lesson, we done some testing. Now let's add the code for the CC and the BCC. Okay, so it is very simple. So we have select option on the selection screen, and as of now the code is written to add the two email address. Okay, and as I explained, for two the express will be X, remaining two will be blank. For copy CC, the copy will be X, and the express and the blank copy will be blank. And for BCC, the I underscore blind copy will be X. So I'll copy this as it is here. Instead of loop at so underscore s underscore 2, I'll make loop at s underscore cc, and I will change the code here as well, s underscore cc underscore low. Okay, and instead of this express, I will pass here the copy equal to X. Save, check, and activate. Fine. And now similarly for the BCC, we'll make a select option, loop at select option BCC, where low is not initial, and here as well I will pass BCC. Okay, and this time instead of copy, you have to pass this I underscore blind copy equal to X. Save, check, and activate. Fine. So let's do a testing. Execute, select the variant. Now for 2 I have already here, so I will just add any number here. Sorry, let me delete this. So here I will type one, let's say cc1@gmail.com, cc2@gmail.com. Sorry, it is @gmail.com. Okay, and same for the BCC, bcc1 at the rate gmail, and bcc2 at the rate gmail.com. So now I have added cc in bcc as well. Okay, so I will like test underscore cc and bcc. Okay, so here I will add with cc and bcc. Save. Okay, so this extra line I have added here. Now if I click execute, so email sent successfully. Go to SOST and just refresh. See, now here we can see multiple emails. This is 2, this is CC1, CC2, BCC, and BCC2. Check the email body, select that and click on display. So here we can see the email body with one extra line. To check the recipient, we can go here, the recipient list. Here we can see. Here we cannot see that option whether it is CC, BCC, but it was perfectly fine in the actual email because it is development system. So in the development system, like send email is not configured. Okay, but in the production system, it will automatically trigger the email to the respective recipient. Okay, so in this way, we will learn like how to add the code for the CC and BCC in the email application. Thank you. So in the upcoming session, we'll learn some new topic on email. Thanks.